Welcome back to my channel with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare puja backdrop or housewarming party backdrop. So for preparing background we need all these things which are listed in my video. You can see, and also you can check all the links below my description box. So let's get started. So guys, since you all know we just bought a new house, so for our housewarming party we are preparing a puja backdrop or housewarming party a puja backdrop by ourselves. So for preparing backdrop, first thing which we need is a rod to give a background look. So today we are using curtain rod. These are the old curtain rods which we are using here. If you want, you can simply use a backdrop stand which is easily available on Amazon. So these are the multicolor curtains which I used for preparing our background, and I bought them from Amazon. Link is below in my description box. So after hanging all the curtains, I'm using marigold flower garlands, and these are also from the Amazon, and some of them are
This
the old
garland
which
I
earlier I'm
got
using.
it from Amazon. I'll put it down the link below. So
So after that, I'm going to prepare a center for the background. So I'm using two multicolor garland, and I'm attaching those two garland in middle of the backdrop. And with the help of a needle and a thread, I'm securing those garlands, and then I'm going to tie the other end of the garland from the side of the background. So this is how we are creating basically center of the background, and this looks little bit more good instead of hanging all the garden. So yeah, so similarly I'm going to do it in different side as well. So for extra security, I am securing them with the help of thread um, in end of the rod, so that during puja time they will secure enough. And yeah, this is almost done, and now I'm going to give a little bit extra touch up in middle of the backdrop. So I'm using these fake flowers which I got it from the store Walmart, and these are very you can find very easily for $2-3, and they looks very beautiful, and you can reuse whenever you want to. So I use two of the fake flower bunches in middle of the backdrop, and inside of the backdrop I'm using different type of these marigold garlands, so that this will look little bit different. So with the help of different type of garland you can create different kind of look. So as much as garland you wanted to use, you can just use. This will give you very ethnic look. And after that, my husband is helping me to install curtain lights. So these lights we got it from one of our local store called Big Lot. So my husband is installing these lights, and this will give a little bit of blingy effect, and this look very good. So as you can see, he already installed all the curtain light, and these lights are like, I really like them. This gives you extra effect. And finally now I'm going to uh, prepare a puja chauki, or you can say table, to put Bhagwan ji. So here I'm simply using two of the old boxes, carton boxes, and those are the glass boxes which I have. And on top of those boxes I just use one of my old table top, and then I'm using this sequence work golden cloth. It is a tablecloth I ordered from Amazon. You can easily get this on Amazon in different colors. I personally feel this light golden color goes really well with this puja theme. So I bought this from Amazon, and this, I think this is very perfect for my decoration. So yeah, So after that, I'm going to put a chalky on top of this tabletop, because this give little bit of height for a backdrop. And then I'm using these two diyas. These are the brass diyas. I bought them from one of my local store. I live in Bay Area, so there is a store called Apna Bazaar and Indian Cash and Carry. From those store only I got those things. So from Apna Bazaar I bought these two diyas, and this chalky is from ICC, Indian Cash and Carry. And then I'm using one more garland in the center of the table cloth. And this is a Havan Kund. I got this from ICC. And now I'm putting all the dry fruits and puja ingredients in small bowls, so that during puja time we can easily find all those things, because every time opening a packet and finding those things a little bit difficult. So it is easy to operate with if these things are easily available in bowls. So I just uh, uh, put little bit of small bowls. I just keep all the dry fruits and other ingredients for puja. So this is how I just transferred all those things. And now I'm going to prepare, like here I'm preparing the puja thali. So all these things you must aware, I some of the things I ordered from India, and some of the things are from here local stores. If you didn't check my previous vlog, please go and check. And that vlog I already explain everything from where I got all those stuff. So go and please check my Grih Pravesh Puja Samagri haul video. And yeah, so here I'm preparing puja thali, and whatever things we require for puja I just set up here. These are the fruits, mithai and other boxes, and this is how the final look um, turned out. And yeah, so now I'm going to decorate our entry wall. So this wall is our front door wall. So here I'm giving a little bit of simple decoration. Just simply I'm using these hanging garlands. So I'm just simply hanging those garlands, so that if somebody enters, this look little bit uh, this give basically a little bit puja effect. So yeah, so simply I'm using this. I'm not going to hire any of the decorators, so these things are really hard to find here. So I'm doing everything by myself. So only with these simple garlands I'm creating this look. And this is my staircase. So I use those rose and these green leaves garlands, which I just rolled out in my staircase, and this is how it turned out. I think this looks really simple as well as decent, and yet it give a very ethnic look for puja. And now it's time to decorate our kitchen. So as you all know, during Grah Pravesh Puja, kitchen and we are also doing kitchen puja. So for that thing, I just used some of the fake flowers to decorate my kitchen. So I simply just put all those flower inside of the gas stove. And yeah, and finally we are cleaning all the extra stuff which is there. Whatever things we didn't need it during puja time, we just remove all the things. And now this is the final look of my puja bag housewarming party decoration. And it is a simple DIY. You can do it by yourself, and it is very easy. You can easily find all those things. And this picture is after, like this video is after the after puja video. I just attach a small clip here. So this is how our puja is done. And I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel for watching such kind of more videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.